Welcome to the Meadow Census. Here, we track wildlife to learn how to summarize numerical datasets in relation to their real-world context. To accurately describe this environment, we let the data show its shape. We do this by identifying the total count of the flock, the center of the group, and how far the animals spread out along the bank. Summarizing data with these specific measures provides a defensible mathematical description of what we observe in the wild. This number line trail tracks plant heights. Deer stand at 12, 14, 14, 15, and 18 centimeters. We have 5 total observations, and the attribute is plant height in centimeters. The median height is 14 centimeters. The spread stretches from 12 to 18, a 6-centimeter range. We combine these elements into a single description. For these 5 plants, a typical height is 14 centimeters, and heights vary across a 6-centimeter range. In this scene, herons rest by the water. Their wait times form points at the 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, and 11 marks on our plot. Before finding the center or the range, what 2 pieces of information must we state to give these numbers meaning? We must record the count and the attribute. We have 6 observations, and the attribute is wait time in minutes. With the context established, we report the statistics. The median is 5 minutes, and the overall range is 8 minutes. Stating the count and the attribute ensures the center and spread describe a real-world event, rather than appearing as isolated numbers. Birds perch at 9, 10, 10, 12, and 19 meters. Summarizing with only the median 10 is incomplete, ignoring the distant bird at 19. To accurately reflect this data, include the total range from 9 to 19 and explicitly mention that high value. The complete summary states that the values range from 9 to 19 meters, including that high value at 19. Summarizing data requires us to describe the entire shape. Outliers like this change the spread and the reality of the environment we are measuring. This framework applies to every dataset you encounter. Start your summary by clearly stating, "There are blank observations of blank." Mastering this contextual summary prepares you to compare different distributions and understand the mean as a balance point. When you document the count, attribute, center, and spread, you let the data show its shape. This ensures your math tells the true story of the world around you.